Hello friends, today we are going to design this amazing bottle, 1 liter bottle design for hand wash or hand sanitizer purpose. So before we start, I would like to please subscribe my channel for more amazing videos, Solidworks tutorials. So like and share with your friends because knowledge means sharing. So we all need to spread our knowledge to someone else's. So let's get started. First we're going to draw a rectangle of 130 and 50 mm rectangle. So let's go to the Solidworks part, okay. And also we need to extrude it up to 170 mm. Go to front plane, choose top plane, sketch. This is 50 mm. Go to featured extrude boss base, 70 mm, okay. Now simply click here, play normal to sketch, draw a center line. Draw an arc from here. Select this point, this line is 15 mm, and from here to here is 82 mm. Perfect. And the arc radius is 130 mm. Okay, arc radius is 130 and this is 81 H2. Okay, let's just close here. Select line and a line. Okay, perfect. Now just select this sketch. Press go to mirror entities. Mirror about this line. Okay, perfect. Now go to the extruded boss base and select blind in the opposite direction, 15 mm. Okay, merge result. Make sure you have checked merge results. Okay, now select this face, play normal to the sketch. Let's see the dimensions over here. As you can see, this is 105 from here, from this point to this, from this 82 mm. 82 mm. This dimension is 82 mm. So, and the gap between is 20 mm. We need to draw this gap. Okay, 20 mm and 105. Okay. So simply corner rectangle. Draw a corner rectangle from here to here. Okay. Now select dimension, small dimension. This is 20 mm and this is also 20 mm. Perfect. And from this line to that line is 82 mm. Perfect. And make sure you have the radius here. So so just go to fillet, select this face, 5 mm. Okay, perfect. This is 5. And from this line to that line, 105. Okay, perfect. 105 mm. Okay, go to extruded cut up to next. Select okay. Perfect. Now select this face, play normal to go to sketch. Select the center line and you can see this is 20 mm. So we need to draw one rectangle, two rectangle here, 15 mm, 15 mm. So let's just draw a rectangle, one rectangle, and the dimension is 15 mm, and the length of the rectangle is 105. Okay. We also need this one. Okay. Go to mirror entities, select your sketch, mirror above. Okay. Now go to extruded cut, select up to next. Okay. Very nice. So now let's select this face and play normal to go to sketch. Draw a circle. Draw a circle of 28 mm and actually 30 mm, and select offset entities. Another 2 mm, reverse it, 2 mm, 3 mm, 5 mm, reverse it. Sorry, okay, 3 mm, reverse it and circle. Okay, it's perfect. Now go to extrude boss base by 4 mm. Okay. Make sure you check this box. Okay. Select this face Actually, we need to edit the sketch first. We do not need the circle. Go exit sketch. I delete the circle and exit. Select this face again. Play normal to sketch. Offset entities by. Okay, and the inner circle 24. This is 23 mm. Sorry, this is 23 mm. Okay, and go to extrude boss base. Right, 21 mm. Okay. So let's just select this face and go to the fillet and make sure you have 10 mm here. This is also 10 mm fillet. Okay, it looks nice. If you want, you can fillet it by less. So let's just do another fillet. This face, not this face, this edge fillet by 4 mm, 5 mm. Sorry, 5 mm. So select this part here, this part, and that part. Fillet it. This is also. And also this part here. Okay, keep it for later. And select this edge, go to fillet it by 10 mm. Okay, this is also 10 mm. Select this, go to fillet it by 1 mm only. This is also 1 mm, and we do not need this fillet. Sorry, so just select this circle, crux. Okay. Also select this edge, go to fillet 5 mm. Okay, 1 mm. Okay, now what we're going to do is pretty simple here. Okay, now select this face, play normal to go to sketch and draw a we're going to draw a normal face here with an angle. Okay, no problem. So now go to smart dimensions, select this line, and this point is 25 mm, and from the angle this line is going to 85 mm. Also this point and that point dimension is 1 mm. Okay, perfect. Now go to extrude cut, do all. Okay. Now go to fillet. Sorry. Select this edge. Go to fillet. This edge also. Delete this edge first. So inside edge. Okay. Perfect. Select OK. Also select this edge. Fillet it by 1 mm. And select this fillet to fillet and cut extrude. Mirror it through front plane and select OK. So, okay, there is maybe some kind of error. Let me first mirror the cut extrude and front plane. Okay. Now again, just select this edge, go to fillet 1 mm. Okay. Now select this edge and go to fillet by 1 mm. Okay, no problem. Now we are going to shell this whole bottle. Shell it by 2 mm. Okay, perfect. Actually, the bottle thick is 1.5 mm. Okay, perfect. You see inside. Okay, perfect. See, the bottle is shelled all inside also. Perfectly shelled. Okay, now what we're going to do is select this edge, go to sketch, and select this face, convert entities. This will take some time. Okay, now go to curves, helix and spiral, reverse direction, height and pitch, 18 mm. Let's go. The height is 25. Okay, the height is 18 mm, pitch 6, 180 degree angle. Height is 18 mm, pitch 6 mm, and this I will do to 0 mm. Okay, perfect. Clockwise. Now simply select this point, go to reference geometry plane. Okay, now select this helix. Okay, select OK. In that way, actually, the plane, go to plane normal to, go to sketch, and select polygon and 3. Okay, okay. Now select polygon here, dimension it 2 mm. Okay, 2 mm. Now fillet this part here by 0.5 mm. and go to exit sketch, sweep boss base. So this is automatically selected our sketch. We need to select the helix. So click here and select the helix, and you can see the extra part here. So go to options, merge, align with and faces. Select this and this face wheel, and also make it merge tangent bracket. Okay, and go okay. Perfect. And select this plane and hide it. Our bottle is ready, and this is how you design a bottle. Okay, so if you want, you can render it though. You can fade it, go to shadows and perspective view. Okay, now select add-ins from the options, photo view 360, and you can see the render tools here. Go to preview window. Oh, before render, you need to add appearance. Let's add some appearance here. And go to appearance. This is plastic, of course. It was white. Okay. Now go to preview window and okay, and go to the final render. This will take some time, so I'm gonna skip this part. So our render is complete here, and this is our final bottle. So save the images wherever you want. So save it, and also save your file. Go to save as, save it, wherever you want to save it. So I just save it because I already saved the file. So see you in the next video, and goodbye, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.